Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Door Strike. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Door Strike. The Door Strike is what the latch attaches to when you close the door. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dishwasher thinks the door is open and it's not going through the cycles. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and use it to carefully pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets. Once you have it started, we can grab the frame and pull it out. We're only going to pull it out a little bit so we can see the screw that holds in the door strike. Once you have it out far enough, you can let the door drop down. And then we can use the Torx 20 driver to take out the screw that holds the door strike on. Once you have the screw out, you can lift up on the door strike and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old door strike next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door strike in, all you have to do is set it into place, and then we can use the Torx 20 driver to put the screw in. Once you have it mounted, we can close the dishwasher door and push the dishwasher back in all the way. Once you have the dishwasher pushed back in, you can open up the door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws back in, hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.